Except there are no cops here, and you don't have to repeat me because I can use my toy megaphone. This is the People's Forum, a temporary autonomous zone. This is the individual centered in the center, surrounded by community. We also need a place where we don't do that. A place for community to just celebrate ourselves. Tiny little parade at the back of this room to come celebrate each other.
Gearóid.